So we've gathered today in the spirit of life, in the spirit that we know so intimately in Hawaii is the spirit of aloha. The same special spirit which has brought the both of you, Garrett, Paisley, gathers us now with Johanna, which is your family and your friends, on a very special moment and day in your lives, and we just celebrate this moment in your life's journey. So I'm encouraging the both of you, Garrett, Paisley, just be like the ocean, be open for some wonderful changes coming your way. Be excited about these changes. Share your hopes, share your disappointments, share your dreams. But most important of all this, continue to treat each other with all the respect and all the aloha that all of you just so well deserve.
I've got a lot of lessons left to learn, but I'm not even close. Through my inhibition, I've become quite
I, Garren, take you, Paisley,
To be my
wedded wife.
And in doing so, commit my life to you.
And in doing so, commit my life to you.
Encompassing all sorrows and joys.
Encompassing all sorrows and joys.
All hardships and triumphs.
All hardships and triumphs.
All the experiences of life.
All the experiences of life.
A commitment made in love.
A commitment made in love.
Kept in faith.
Kept in faith.
Lived in hope.
Lived in hope.
And eternally made new.
And eternally made new.
But I'm too afraid of losing it all. 'Cause if I leave everything on the table, then you might break my heart. But I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now. Not this way, 'cause I love you and I wanna hold you when we're old and gray. Oh, a love like this don't come around every day.
Garren, I give you this ring
Garren, I give you this ring
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of my love,
knowing that love is precious,
knowing that love is precious, fragile,
yet strong.
yet strong.
Let this be a reminder
Let this be a reminder
of all that I have pledged
of all that I have pledged
to you here today.
to you here today.
'Cause this is what I choose.
So Garren and Paisley, you are finally united in marriage here in the island of Maui. We all want to invite you on a great journey. Trust in life, trust in each other, and not be afraid. And may you be given this gift of the memory of a very special moment and for the rest of your lives. So now, oneness with the Spirit is indeed my honor and a privilege to pronounce you to be husband and wife. I invite you to seal your vows in your marriage to the church.
Can't bring myself to give up right now.